If you are part of Amazon seller account, the way you say your product can build impact and processing choice of the potential clients. Keeping up a purchase and effect Amazon product listing service encourages you to find the ability of this of your item. Familiarize and including the purchase of the product boost your sales. Interact outsource giving gives an equal runs of for product data entry, inventory management, or upload books, product service, etc. Amazon sellers account. The equal your listing can be uploaded. The closer you can craft sales on your product. We have decided them of product costing peoples that will do research and complain deleted product data into spec sheet that will can be improved into your Amazon store account. We clean up exist product costing and create new listing according to your latest item list. A specific compound to consider is a complicated purchase analysis. We process a way to understand how to price of your product relative to Google shipping. Amazon and the top 2 or 3 companies in Google organize the PPC. That's why when we uploaded new product to your Amazon store, they are immediately complicated and ready to attract customer. Instruct outsource set solution for your required product listing needed. We offer you the best service that can solve your time cost and engage at interact outsource. We are engaged to export with drop knowledge in the field. You can get your terms support for activities user friendly, require and SEO risk title as well as description. It is the key of draws participate client in your product page.